up? It is me, Eden here, and today I'm going to be doing a taste test, and I'm going to be doing a collab with McKenna. Her channel is McKenna Vlog, so I'll definitely be linking that down in the description.
And we are going to be using this summer blindfold.
Today we are going to be doing the taste test challenge.
And yes, we will be doing this on my channel.
Yes, we will be doing it on her channel.
Yeah. Right now I'm at Eden's house, so
yes,
we'll do it at probably my house.
So we're gonna pick out the food. She's gonna pick out the food first. Well, you can take the blindfold off. So yeah. Okay, guys. So McKenna is going first, and I'm gonna pick something out of my bag that she will try to get. So just so you know, we're doing 6 rounds, so we both get 3 foods. Sorry. 3 foods. Yeah. So I'm gonna pick first one.
And I have the blindfold on.
So she can't see anything. It's kind of tight, that blindfold for me, so you can't really open your eyes. Okay, so I got my thing. I'm gonna give her
Nervous, guys.
peanut butter crunch time. It's a snack bar. Did you hear that?
What?
Okay.
Hear what?
Okay. Me talking. Like
Yeah, you said
whispering.
something. I don't
Whispering.
know. What?
Okay, I'm gonna take a piece of it, and this is what it looks like.
Can I see what it looks like?
No.
Well, no, I knew that, guys. I was just fine with you. Hurry up, I'm getting confused. My eyes are hurting.
Okay, start from my.
Something off.
Yeah. Okay, what do you think it was?
Crunch something bar.
You heard what I was saying, like a little bit.
I did.
You heard the crunch thing? The crunch
It's good.
bar? What do you think it is? What has?
Chocolate, peanut butter, and crunch stuff. Like, I don't know.
Well, what do you think it's kind of like? A waffle bar?
Yeah,
Okay.
something like that. I don't know. Can I have the other one?
Okay, so she got it right. I have some easy ones, so she got it right.
Close the door all the way.
Okay.
It's actually really good.
I don't really like that, but okay. So I'm gonna get the blindfold, and she's gonna pick out of her bag, which it will be a little faster instead of just like she's gonna pick out of her bag since it will be a little faster instead of just roaming around the kitchen. Now this really.
Okay, ready? Here I come.
I'm scared because I don't know what she picked.
What you gave me was good.
Yeah, I gave you some good stuff. Yeah. Wait. Can you hand this to me?
Yeah, I'm telling the camera.
Okay, I have to go upstairs and get a phone call.
Open. Hand it to me. Is it big?
No. Okay, ready? Open up.
It fell out.
There's 2.
Oh. We're like, I thought the birthday cake teddy bar? Teddy grams?
Uh-huh.
I
You
like-
heard me.
No, I'm serious. I'm honest
Okay.
to God.
Yeah, I don't even like that kind. Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Here's your little get something out of her bag. So this is round 2 for me. Yeah. Oh gosh.
And then she gets one more round, guys. That's what they are. Right in front of her face. So let me just open the baggie. I got it. Your blindfold's upside down, but that's okay.
Can I fix it?
No. Okay, open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Oh, it smells like peanut butter.
Wait, you can't smell it. That's cheating.
Oh, I know what it is, I think. Are you kidding me? Is this? Seriously, Eden? This is obvious.
What?
Reese's peanut butter cup.
Yeah, I gave her some things. Some easy things.
I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like Reese's peanut butter cups?
I do, but I'm going to taste it first.
Weirdo. Okay, so this is gonna be my second round, so let me put my blindfold on. Sorry if you guys can see my eyes, because this blindfold really hurts really bad. Because it's tight on.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
So that's cheddar. To be honest, I don't think you like this.
What did you say, cheddar?
What?
Did you say cheddar?
No, I was going to say cheese, but it's not cheese. I don't even know if I like it.
Eli! No. Ew. That's disgusting. Is it like pretzels or something?
Nope. You can go.
Oh, these are disgusting.
I knew you didn't like them, so I chose them. Get my turn.
Another piece. Okay.
Last round.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna pick
Last
something.
round. Well, this is only my. Yeah, this is my last round.
You missed. Okay. Yeah, that's her last round, and then I'll have my last round.
Don't.
So,
Oh, those are really good.
hey, did you look in my bag? What? Did you look in my bag?
Oh,
Those are disgusting.
no.
Just put your blindfold on. Ready?
I'm sorry. It's eating.
I'm eating. That's two.
But
Hey guys, this is what it is. Ah! I dropped it.
I'm not eating it.
Okay. It's just the carpet. Okay, that's what it is.
Okay. Ooh. What is this?
Eat it.
What is it called? I know what it is. Where'd it go? What's right here? Oops, where'd it go? Where is it, Dylan?
It's on the floor now.
Okay, I can't reach it. Okay. A donut thingy. Powder donut.
Yeah! She got it! Kids and boys.
Kids and boys.
And girls. Okay. So that was the last round for her. Now it's going to be the last round for me. Yeah, it's kind of a long video. But that's okay. Okay, my brother stuck his finger in my mouth. It was so disgusting. Okay.
Hey, Eden's last one.
I don't know what she picked. I heard she was digging, I'm pretty sure in the bag area. Like where our chips go. I'm gonna pick you up like a Cadillac and
Ready, open up.
That was Eli sticking a scope in your mouth.
Oops. Fail. Fail. Okay, wait, this is it.
No, I don't like that.
Ready?
No, I don't like that.
Eden, you didn't even taste it.
Yes, I did.
Look
I
at
don't like it. Move out of the camera
Just
away.
look.
Why? Because I want one. Why?
Those are so
It's
disgusting.
cheddar.
Why?
I tasted that. I was like,
Is it actually good?
like, I'm everything. Okay, kind of get in there.
All right, guys. Well,
Kind of, come on. Where'd it go? Whoa. Whoa. Okay, guys.
wait. I just want to see what we look. Oops.
Okay, it's still going. Okay, it's still going on the camera. Okay.
Okay, well, thanks for watching.
That's not even okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.
And
Down
and she will link
Put
my channel
down in the description down
below.
below. And
See you guys in the next video.
and also, guys, we will be doing. We will definitely be we'll be doing the same thing on her channel, which is the taste test challenge. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!
That's all, folks.